This is Thomas with Top Mobility. Today we're going to talk about the new Golden Buzz Around Carry-On. Let's take a look. Some of the key features for the Buzz Around Carry-On include a 300-pound weight capacity, a maximum drive speed of 3.5 miles per hour, a USB charging port, and a water bottle holder. You have a choice of red or blue color trouts. This travel mobility device also includes a front and rear LED lighting system. The Buzz Around Carry-On comes standard with a 15 amp hour lithium-ion battery with a range of up to 18 miles. You can also obtain an optional airline-friendly 6.5 amp hour lithium-ion battery with a range of up to 7.8 miles. The Buzz Around Carry-On disassembles into two pieces for easy transport and storage. Let me show you how.